friends, Miss Wendy here with the Fairfield Public Library, and we have another DIY for you in week 1 of our summer reading challenge. It's the end of week 1, and we are going to be making a handprint tree. Let's get started. So friends, in your kit that you picked up at the library, you are going to have 2 pieces of cardstock, 1 paper plate, paint, and Q-tips. You'll also need some tape, either masking tape or Scotch tape, and a pair of scissors, and a pencil. First thing that we're gonna do is we're going to trace our hand. So you're gonna put your hand on your paper. You're going to trace with your pencil. Your hand is gonna be your tree. So you're gonna trace the trunk and all of your fingers. There we go. Now we're gonna cut this out. Now what you're gonna do is just put a little bit of tape on the back so that your tree stays in place. I would suggest putting maybe 2 pieces of tape on your tree and then plant it on the ground there. Okay, now we're gonna make some grass for our tree, and then we're going to make either leaves with flowers or like blossoms, whatever it is you'd like on your tree, and then the sky. So I would like the grass to be a little bit lighter. So I'm gonna just use my Q-tip and take some of the paint from the green, and then do the same with the white, but I'm going to use a new Q-tip. So we don't need very much for this. I'm going to save that white Q-tip and I'm going to mix with my green. So see, there's a lighter color green coming out now. All right, and now I'm just gonna use my thumb and make some thumbprints. You might want to get something to protect your workspace. Before you start. And now you can see how you can go put your thumbprints even on the tree, and you'll see what happens when we take that away. Now you'll have to wash up in between colors. Wash your hands. I think that's enough green. I'm gonna go wash my hands. All right, that's better. I'm gonna use some scrap paper to protect the work surface here. All right, so now, actually, I'm gonna use the Q-tip and make some green leaves on my tree. I'm gonna go all around the branches here. There's some green, and now the next thing I'm going to do is take some red and some white, and I'm going to mix that together. I can mix it with my fingers, and that's going to make a lighter red, pink, a dark pink. All right, and I'm gonna put some on this tree. All right, I'm gonna go wash my hands. And now we're gonna make the sky. So I am going to use my blue, pour that onto my palette, and the white. I'm going to use a lot of the white because I would like a light blue sky. And again, I'm going to mix it. to fill in the blue sky. And remember I said that your hand is going to be your tree? Well, now we can peel off your hand, and that's the trunk of your tree. We don't need that hand anymore. And what we're gonna do is we can make brown with green and red. So we can put a little more red, a little more green, mix it together. And make brown for our tree. There we are. And you can color in the trunk of your tree. You can even make little branches going into the leaves and the blossoms. And there you have your tree on a beautiful summer day. So let that dry, and we're going to clean up while it's drying. All right, friends, nice job cleaning up. Nice job with your picture here. Woohoo! Awesome job. Woohoo! So friends, I hope you enjoyed making your tree, and if you did this activity, enter READ, R-E-A-D, in your Beanstack account for some extra points. Thanks so much for joining me, friends. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.